The Dodge Viper is as crazy as it gets. With an 8.4-liter V10 engine, the Viper was a handful to drive and one of the most iconic models ever made. It was also sold as a manual-only model, with crazy side exit exhaust pipes and a crazy ACR version which was made specifically for the track. The Viper was a one-of-its-kind sports car and there has been nothing like it since. The Ford Mustang GT might as well be the car which started it all. It is as iconic as ever and one of the few surviving American sports car brands. They have been featuring all sorts of engines including a Turbo 4, V6er and of course, V8er. The Mustang carries the legacy of Ford into racing and fun-to-drive vehicles. The Chevrolet Camaro will surely be missed. It was one of the most iconic muscle cars of modern times. The modern Camaro was also featured in the iconic Transformers movie and the ZL11LE was the most track-focused version of the car which featured a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine which produced 650 bhp and 880 Nm of torque. The Dodge Challenger is an iconic muscle car which came with many engine options but there is nothing more American than the Hellcat engine which is a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine which produces 808 bhp in its best form and nearly 900 Nm of torque. The Hellcat engine has been put in many other cars as well, most notably the Ram TRX and the Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. The Pontiac GTO is forgotten by many as is the Pontiac brand which could not survive the 2008 financial crisis. The GTO was a brilliant sports car, and it featured a LS-V8 engine. The design was simple. It could handle and was also a hark back to simpler times when cars had a soul and more character than the current lineup of EVs. The Chevrolet Corvette might be one of the most legendary American sports cars in America. It is a thing of pride for the Corvette to exist and it shows the world that America can compete with the European market cars. It currently comes with a LT2 V8 engine which is a 6.2-liter naturally aspirated engine which produces 465 bhp and 637 Nm of torque. The Buick GNX changed the game. It was one of the first American cars to incorporate a turbocharged V6. It was a ruckus on the road and one of the most iconic cars of the time. It set new boundaries and replaced the "bigger is always better" argument that Americans used to pride upon.